Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Create a Perplexity account and sign in to access the image generator. Open the Image tab and choose a new canvas to begin. Choose canvas size like 1024 x 1024 or 512 x 512 for your output. Select aspect ratio, such as 1:1 or 16:9 before generating. Pick a model variant and default settings to match your quality needs. Learn where prompts, reference images, and output folders are located in the interface. Write a clear prompt with subject, style, lighting, and mood details. Include specific terms like cinematic lighting, 35mm lens, or watercolor texture. Use negative prompts to remove unwanted elements like extra limbs or text overlays from images. Add a reference image to guide composition and color matching if available. Set steps to around 30 and guidance scale to about 7. 5 for balance between creativity and fidelity. Save or lock a random seed to reproduce exact. Use in-painting or edit mode to refine areas with precise brushes and masks. Zoom in and adjust brush hardness while preserving composition and texture details. Upscale by 2 times or export at native resolution as PNG or JPG depending on your needs. Compare multiple variations and iterate by changing prompt weight or negative prompts. Review safety warnings and ensure commercial use rights before publishing any generated artwork. Download originals, metadata, and any seed values to maintain reproducibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.